In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $17,325 in commission with affiliate marketing just by using free traffic. And the best part, I made this commission just in one single month, from the first day of the month of August until the day 30 of the month of August. Okay, this is my clicks, my CTR. This is the people who used my affiliate links to sign up to this website and people who used my affiliate links to buy those products or services that I will share with you in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google, okay? Go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Click on this link over here, okay? All you have to do is you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So what you will do next is you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community over here and scroll down and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. This is from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because this affiliate marketing business, they are really paying good commissions, okay? It's not like a few cents like other affiliate marketing website. This one is really profitable and you guys can check this website to get more information, okay? All you have to do next is you just need to click over here on join now, okay? And as you can see, sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, okay, password, and account type. Make it private, okay? So make it private like this. They will ask you a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, okay? So let me show you. You can say yes or no. I'm gonna choose no, and you can scroll down and you can choose your country over here. It's super easy, and choose your language. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. It will take just few minutes, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? All you have to do now is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote using free traffic, okay? So what you will do, so you need step number two, you will go to YouTube, okay? So let me show you. Go to your YouTube homepage like this. Open your YouTube homepage. So why we choose YouTube? Because we will promote our affiliate links on YouTube, because YouTube has a lot of traffic. So let me show you. Did you know that YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly, and if you are making content that people are searching for, and you will add your affiliate links in your to those videos, okay? I will show you step by step how we can do it. So first we will open our YouTube homepage and we will use YouTube search to see what people are searching for. So click on the search, okay, and ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to edit, let's say for example, how to edit YouTube videos. And here you go. You guys can see, if you ask question, you can ask any question. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut, how to edit YouTube videos on laptop. So those people who search for how to edit YouTube videos, they will be interested to buy a service about YouTube editing, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Let me show you. Go back to your home page, click over here on the search and search for editing, okay? Search for video editing or video edit video. Okay, let's search for edit video. So just search for this service that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, you will find a lot of people who are providing this service on Fiverr, okay, about video editing. Okay, so what you will do next, scroll down. You guys can see that we have a lot of people who are providing this service. Okay, so those people who provide video editing service, what you will do is you need to choose one of those sellers, and you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. What you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, you need to choose good sellers who provide good services. Okay, so if people click on your affiliate link, they will check if those sellers are good sellers or not. Okay, so that's why you need to choose good one. So to choose good sellers, always choose like this one: top rated seller, pro sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on an affiliate link, like I said, they will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I will choose for example this one. As you can see guys, this one is top rated seller. He has over 1000 reviews, over 1000 people paid for this service. Okay, and this seller has almost 5 star. So what you will do is just click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, like this. And as you can see guys, this seller has 7 orders in queue, so it's working. People are paying for this service. Okay, so which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who are making content on YouTube or on Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Okay, those people will buy this service. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to copy the link of the you just need to copy the profile link of the seller. So click over here and copy this link like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and click over here, and you have here your dashboard. You have marketing tools, you have reports, and you have payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. So this seller has a video that's really good. Let's check his video.
Hi, my name is Chris Axworthy. I'm a video editor. I've worked on short films, feature films, music videos.
So this video is explaining the service of this seller. That's really good. What you will do, you will double click on the video and click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, click on save video like this. I'm gonna name it video editing. I will click on save. Okay, video editing 1, click on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, and search for Canva like this. And here you go. You just need to search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, all you have to do is you just need to click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this one about video editing service.
Hi, my name is Chris Axworthy.
This one, click on open, and here you go. So your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video like this, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. Click over here on text and scroll down and choose. So you just need to choose which text style you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. So you can choose any text style that you like. So for me, I will use this one. I will click on this one like this, and your text will be in the front of your video like this. So I will delete the second one. Let me show you how. So just click on this text and I will delete this. Okay, I will get back. I want to delete this one. Delete, and here you go. You can decrease the font size of your text like this and put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. That's why we will put this sentence. So those people who are interested to edit their videos to make them more engaging and get more views and grow their YouTube channels, they will see this: check link in my description. They will check our description and we will put our affiliate link there. Okay, so click over here on elements. After you finish, click on elements and let me show you, and scroll down. So let me see, and you guys can use this shape over here, or you can scroll down and go over here to shapes and choose this one like this. Okay, and click over here on color and choose black color. Okay, and here you go, and you need to put this shape like this behind your text, and here you go, and your video is done. Let me see.
Hi, my name is Chris Axworthy. I'm a video editor. I've worked on short films.
So what you will do next, just click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to your YouTube homepage, and you need to open a YouTube channel. It's easy and it's simple and it's for free. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After that, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title: how to edit YouTube videos. Okay, use this title like this, exactly like this. Don't change or add anything. Okay, in your YouTube description, use the same title. Okay, in this video I show you how. If you can write this sentence in your YouTube description. If you are interested to edit your YouTube videos and to make them more engaging and professional and get more views and grow your YouTube channel, check link below. Okay, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because you have new affiliate accounts. So for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And when you will upload this video, put this video as Creative Commons. Okay, so we will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. Okay, and that's it. Start promoting those services related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube. That's how we can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Use YouTube search, see what people are searching for, go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics that people are searching for, and start uploading those videos from Fiverr to your YouTube channel. Put your affiliate links in your YouTube description, and that's it. If you stay consistent, of course, the results will not come overnight, It's gonna take time, and you need to stay consistent, improve your content, and if you stay consistent for a long time, you will start seeing results, and uh, you will start seeing what's working, and you will double the services that are working and avoid what's not working, and that's how you will increase your commissions. Okay, and for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, and if you are interested to learn step by step how we can do it and learn from my experience, I already have an affiliate marketing course that is done. And if you are interested, guys, you guys can check my YouTube description. You can check this description of this video. You will find my email there. And if you are interested, you can reach out to me, and I will be happy to help you with my affiliate marketing course. Okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.